In today's video, I'm going to teach you Recolor artwork tool best for full color changes. If you've ever wanted to quickly update the entire color palette of your illustration logo or layout without manually editing every shape, this is the most reliable way to do it. The Recolor artwork feature gives you precise control over how existing colors are mapped to new ones, and it previews changes live so you can make confident decisions before finalizing anything. Start by selecting the artwork you want to change. Switch to the selection tool by pressing V on your keyboard, click directly on the artwork to select it, or drag a marquee around the pieces you want included. The key here is that only selected objects will be affected, so make sure everything you intend to recolor is highlighted. This includes groups, type that's been converted to outlines, strokes, fills, gradients, and patterns. As a quick note, Recolor artwork is built for vector content. Placed photos or raster images won't change with this tool. With your artwork selected, open the Recolor artwork interface. Go to the top menu, choose Edit, hover over Edit Colors, and then click Recolor artwork. If you prefer a faster route, look for the color wheel icon in the control bar at the top of your workspace and click it. Either path brings up the same powerful panel. Once the Recolor artwork panel appears, you'll see your current colors detected and organized. This is where the magic happens. The panel lets you explore new combinations, remap specific swatches, and maintain color relationships across your design. Because your selection is active, any changes you explore preview instantly on the canvas, which makes it easy to audition different looks without guesswork. Gradients, patterns, and strokes update right along with flat fills, helping your entire piece stay cohesive. If your artwork uses global swatches or spot colors, Recolor artwork respects those settings and keeps things consistent. You can also protect tints or keep hues locked together so the mood of your piece remains intact even as you shift the palette. And since this tool works on what you've selected, you can isolate parts of a design simply by choosing them before you open the panel. That's all there is to accessing the Recolor artwork tool for broad, accurate color changes. Select your artwork with the selection tool, then open Recolor artwork from Edit, Edit Colors, or by clicking the color wheel icon. From there, you're set to explore creative, controlled color updates with confidence.